You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. U.S. stock indexes showed mixed performance. The S&P 500 closed nearly flat, the Nasdaq posted a slight gain, while the Dow declined. Weak data from the services sector, which contracted for the first time in nearly a year, sent a worrying signal. Companies reported rising costs, fueling concerns about potential stagflation. Meanwhile, the ADP report showed the smallest increase in private sector jobs in over 2 years. Investors are awaiting Friday's employment data to assess the broader impact of U.S. trade policy. Asian markets posted modest gains despite volatile dollar movements. South Korean and Hong Kong indexes moved higher, while Japan declined. Weak U.S. figures have strengthened expectations of monetary easing. Against this backdrop, investors are looking for signals from the ECB, which is expected to cut rates. Uncertainty driven by U.S. tariff actions continues to strain trade negotiations. Canada and the EU are making progress in talks with Washington, while Japan and Germany prepare for new rounds of dialogue. The dollar remains under pressure following a string of disappointing economic reports. Contraction in the services sector and slower job growth have increased expectations for a Fed rate cut. Donald Trump once again called on the Federal Reserve to lower rates, raising concerns about the central bank's independence. Market participants are also focused on tense U.S.-China negotiations, with Trump describing the Chinese leader as extremely tough to make deals with. In this climate, investors are treading carefully ahead of Friday's labor market report. Gold prices remain stable, reflecting heightened uncertainty amid growing economic and political risks. Weak U.S. data, rising business costs, and Fed comments on slowing activity have supported the metal. In addition, Trump's renewed push for lower rates boosted demand for gold as a safe haven asset. The market is also showing caution ahead of the upcoming jobs report, which could affect the dollar's movement and rate expectations. Meanwhile, silver and palladium declined, while platinum edged higher. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.